try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them vex them still a text and still a try fi explain. See me on the right gal, better take the left lane. Hex a try hex.
Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Hey, make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there so if you're brand new. Listen, we're getting very close to 1,000 subscribers. So please, as soon as you see the video, hit that subscribe button if you like the video. Because you know we're bringing crazy content for next year and year after and year after. Fam, Manchester United versus Reading. I'm going to be reading while I watch Manchester United beat up Reading. Russia's been good this season, hasn't he? Dear blood, that thing. I'm going to talk to them bumble more same way. You are the boss. You are the boss. Anthony, you are the friggin' boss. I like bumble if I ESPN. Yo, man, I like watch ESPN that. Every time I watch Manchester United has been playing on ESPN because of the cup games. We're almost in the finals of the Carling Cup and now we play the FA Cup 4th round. So we have to watch it, but we can't stand ESPN and then commentary party. Them buy and say, fuck, it's a one a Liverpool man. You don't want to ask them, fuck man, them my youth. But you can't keep them bias out of the commentary. But anyway, we move. We fucking move. Beating Anthony. Goal. Yes. Yes. Finally. Russia with the goal too. That means 10 out of 10 at Old Trafford. Fucking yes. Oh. Good fucking goal, fam. I mean, it wasn't a great goal, but still, fam. Well, of course, with the assist, fam. Well fucking done, fam. Well fucking done. Rashi with the goal. 71. First goal, Rashi. All right, now we can build upon that now. Oh, fucking my side. Shit, my side. Hey, fucking my side. Cancel that. Suck your mama. Suck your dirty bum buckler. Mama! Me name Casimiro. Me name Casimiro. I know who pass the ball? Anthony. Anthony get the assist. Wow. 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 Cool. Buckler. A joke thing. What? Casimiro. God. Casimiro. Shut up, fam. Pussy, gotcha. Me bumbo call it a day. Call it a day. Pussy, gotcha. Boof. Gotcha. Blood. Call it a day. Call it off. Take him off. What? Oh, that's nasty. That's filthy. Friend. What the fuck?